Divisibility by 15. Rule: a number is divisible by 15 if it is divisible by both 3 and 5. For example, 3495 is divisible by 15 as it is divisible by 3. 3 plus 4 plus 9 plus 5 is equal to 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7, and also by 5 because it ends with 5. On the other hand, 54,320 is not divisible by 15 as it is divisible by 5. It ends with 0, but not by 3, as the sum of its digits is not divisible by 3. 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 0 is equal to 14. Likewise, 106,329 is not divisible by 15 as it is divisible by 3. 1 plus 0 plus 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 9 is equal to 21, a number divisible by 3, but not by 5 as it does not end with 0 or 5. Indeed, the calculator gives 3,495 divided by 15 is equal to 233. 54,320 divided by 15 is equal to 3,621.333. And 106,329 divided by 15 is equal to 7,088.6. These results confirm the solutions made. Example: check whether the following numbers are divisible by 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. A. 1,441,440. B. 34,471,325. Solution: A. 1,441,440 is divisible by 11 because 0 plus 4 plus 4 plus 1 minus 4 plus 1 plus 4 equals 9 minus 9 is equal to 0, which is a number divisible by 11. 0 is divisible by all numbers. 1,441,440 is divisible by 12, as it is divisible by 3. 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 0 is equal to 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6, and also by 4, 40 divided by 4 is equal to 10. 1,441,440 is divisible by 13, as 440 minus 441 plus 1 is equal to 0, which is divisible by 13. 1,441,440 is divisible by 14 as it is divisible both by 2, even number, and by 7. Indeed, when we do the recurring operation, 2 times last digit minus the number formed by the rest of digits, we obtain 2 times 0, minus 144,144 equals minus 144,144, then 2 times 4 minus 14,414 equals minus 14,406, then 2 times 6 minus 1,440 equals minus 1,428, then 2 times 8 minus 142 equals minus 126, which is a number divisible by 7 because 126 divided by 7 is equal to 18. 1,441,440 is divisible by 15 as it is divisible by 3. 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 0 is equal to 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6, and also by 5, the number ends with 5. B. 34,471,325 is not divisible by 11 as 5 plus 3 plus 7 plus 4 minus 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3 equals 19 minus 10 is equal to 9, which is not a number divisible by 11. 34,471,325 is not divisible by 12 as it is an odd number, cannot be divisible by 4. 34,471,325 is not divisible by 13, as 325 minus 471 plus 34 equals minus 112, which is not divisible by 13. 34,471,325 is not divisible by 14 as it is an odd number, cannot be divisible by 2. No need to check for the divisibility by 7. 34,471,325 is not divisible by 15 as this number is not divisible by 3, 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 7 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 29, i.e. not divisible by 3, despite it being divisible by 5, it ends with 5. That is all for lesson 1.6.15. To continue this tutorial, please watch 1.6.16, Divisibility by 16. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.